Hi friends, Miss Madeline here, and today I have an exploding baggie experiment for you guys. But unfortunately, it is raining outside, and I'm told it's supposed to be raining all week, so it might make it hard to do this experiment. But you can do it in your garage, just like I'm going to do. And all you need for this experiment is a sandwich bag, a square piece of paper towel, which you can cut, it doesn't have to be perfect, and then 1.5 tablespoons of baking soda, and then you'll need a 1/2 cup of water, which I've already poured, and then a 1/4 cup of vinegar, and if you choose, food coloring. So the first thing that I did was measure out the 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder or baking soda, and then I put it on this square. And then next we're just gonna fold it up into a little packet for safekeeping for the baking soda. We're gonna put it off to the side. Then we're gonna take the baggie and we're gonna pour your 1/2 cup of water. Okay, and then we're gonna get our vinegar and pour a 1/4 cup of that. Pour that into the bag. Then you can take whatever food coloring you want. I'm gonna choose blue. Put a few drops in there. See the water turning blue. Give it a little shake. Okay. Now we're gonna put our packet of baking soda in there quickly. Zip it up and shake it, and it should explode. So. And that, friends, is how you do an exploding baggie experiment. I love and miss you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.